Guys, it's Chris. Thanks for tuning in to another motorcycle money flip. Now, normally I'm talking about motorcycles, flipping stuff and making money, but today I just wanted to do a quick video on how to change out your headlights in a GMC truck in less than 10 minutes. Now, I know if you've seen all the other videos out there, you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to see how I figured this out. So guys, originally what I wanted to do to my GMC is give it a little bit of flair like I do on all my projects. And so I upgraded the headlights to these nice black housing headlights with the LED strip in them to kind of make them look like the newer models. Once I got them in there, of course, I got on YouTube to find the video of how to do it. You got to take off the grill. You got to take off the upper compartment. You got to take off these screws that are up under the fender well. You got to take off this entire front piece, just so that way you can pull out the headlights and then replace them. Now, I looked up to do a bulb replacement, same videos. Everyone's saying to do the exact same thing. They're telling you to take out the entire headlight, access the back of it, and then replace the headlights. Now, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how I did my headlight conversion, because after I put these headlights in, I realized really quickly that the standard bulbs did not look good in them. With the LED strip, I needed LED bulbs, so I wanted to go ahead and change out the bulbs as well. Now, this process will work for regular bulbs or LED bulbs, so just check it out. On the GMC, much like the Silverado, you'll see right here where your rotor reservoir is. You take out this one bolt, loosen it. This will shift to the side, and then you can access the bulb. As you can see, the bulb is right there. That's the back of my LED bulb. So easy access there. On this side, I actually have the custom K&N filter intake. So it's really easy. I removed one bolt here, one bolt here, this one bolt here. This whole lid lifts off, boom. I got instant access to the back of that headlight. Now, I'll show you here in a minute when I did my brother-in-law's, because I wanted to test it on a Silverado as well with stock features to see if it worked out the same. So continue and check out the video.
Okay, so we're busting the big myth tonight. When you look up how to change out your headlights in your 2007 to 2012 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado, they want you to take off this upper mount here, this little cover, this plastic cover, and all these little rivets, And they want you to take off this grill, which that grill is a bunch of 10mm bolts all the way across the front, and then you have to clip off this way. That way you can access the headlights. And then you got to take the headlights out with this bolt here and the two bolts down there. And the reason I'm showing y'all this is because I want y'all to know that I've actually done it that way. But if you come in here and look right here, right where the reservoir is, you can sneak your hand right to the headlight. Boom. And on this side, which appears to be impossible because you can't get your hand in there, if you'll pull straight up on this box, there's only two clips that hold it in, one on this side and one on this side. And then this whole thing can lift out of your way. So once you lift the air box out of your way,
Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video, another motorcycle money flip. Now be sure to subscribe below to see more videos like this.